Okay, hello again, a new day, a new project. Today I want to show you how I'm doing my videos and how I'm doing the shootings and my little basic equipment for that. So I have my office lamp, that's my usual lamp, for working, and I have an extra light over there. It's a 10 watts LED and you can see my Kitor. It's the Light Sport, yes. And I have the sound recorder over here. This is my Sony PCM D50. It's a really great recorder and have a really nice sound quality. This little camera over here, it's a CG4000 from CG Cam. It's recording and filming in high definition. The sound it's not so great, but I don't care. The image it's good and it's good enough for YouTube. So I don't think you need full 4K or something like this for YouTube, as long as you don't present nature and arts, paints. I'm talking about colors and all kinds of landscapes and sophisticated things like this, who are really in need of really good definition. As long as I see high definition 1080, it's more than enough for YouTube. Okay, so this is the shooting with a Panasonic GF2 camera in high definition, of course. I can zoom it and I think this is doing the job. Okay, I'm going to put all these shootings together. Now I'm going to have a little bit of shooting with this little camera because I want to show you the Panasonic, and then we'll put all the shootings together in the software. Okay, so this is my little Panasonic GF2 camera. That's the one I'm usually recording with, Lumix GF2, and the objective it's a 1442. It's pretty okay for this kind of jobs. I have it for a long time and I may say that it's working great. Of course, I hack it a little bit. I changed the firmware for a better video rate. Somehow improve the video quality at least 10-15% than the standard. The battery it's pretty okay. It lasts for 1.5 hours or something to a normal video shooting, and I'm really glad with that. I don't feel like I need anything fancier for now, at least at this level. What I want to say again, my Sony PCM, this is a really great sounding tool. I really love it. There is my computer. It's a laptop. It's an Acer Aspire A515 with a NVIDIA graphic card MX150, and I have a SSD for the operating system. It's an M2 SSD, but it's more than enough, and another 1 tera hard disk for let's call it data deposit. And what I have done over here, I replaced the display. I have a high definition now, an IPS display, and it's great for colors and contrast and all the other stuff. So I have a tutorial about this, you can check it. The video transfer, it's done by simply having the cards out from the video cameras and connect it to the computer and copy in the hard disk. So here I have my old keyboard. It's a Roland G600, still working great and still a good sound for the things I'm doing. And this goes to a little mixer. That's a very basic phonic mixer, AM 220 with 2 mic ins and 2 line ins, and that's more than enough for a home studio without question. And of course my little Yamaha Kitor, great sound, and it's very versatile. It's small and easy to carry around. Sometimes I'm using this kind of iPhone headphones just for checking the things. It's not for mixing or anything else, it's just for having a closer sound to my ears. And here we have another 2 pieces of equipment I really love. That's a Tc-Helicon multi-effect, that's a vocalist, and a Kitor effect too. I had some videos about that before. Take a look. And that's my MidJay, Catron MidJay music player and recorder, and also it's a kind of virtual band, you may say. It have a lot of patterns and grooves and very interesting stuff to work with. That's for making live music. That's what I'm using for on the stage, you know, for having one-man band show. My microphone, it's an electro voice. I think it's 767 or something. I can't even remember. It's so old, but I love electro voice. It have a deeper sound. It's softer and very nice with bass and high frequencies. So my main headphones are a pair of Sony MDR V700. I have them for such a long time. I can't get rid of that, you know. These are a part of my body now, I may say. I was trying a lot of other models, but finally I get stuck with Sony. And there are my monitors. I'm using two Yamaha H50 5-inch loudspeaker, and they are great for the little jobs I'm doing. They sound wonderful for music, for mixing music, and even for my video tutorials. And guys, I think that's it for now. Just a little tour of my video setup. I hope you like it. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send them. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to have fun. Until the next project, be safe and bye bye.